Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 49. In this lesson, you will learn some language for making a complaint. I want you to repeat the sentences you hear out loud and then practice them in some common situations. In earlier parts of booking into a hotel, you used the phrase, "Do you have?" to ask about the availability of a service or facility. You learnt, "Do you have internet access here? Do you have a laundry service? Do you have any non-smoking rooms?" In normal speech, the words do and you are said together like this: do, do, do. Listen and repeat after me. Do you have internet access? Do you have internet access? What time do you serve breakfast? What time do you serve breakfast? Do you have any non-smoking rooms? Do you have any non-smoking rooms? What restaurants do you have? What restaurants do you have? Do you have a room with a view? Do you have a room with a view? You can use the following expressions to complain about your room. Sorry to bother you, but there's no towel in my room. Sorry to bother you, but there's no towel in my room. I'm afraid that the bedside light in my room doesn't work. I'm afraid that the bedside light in my room doesn't work. Sorry, but my room is too cold. Sorry, but my room is too cold. Imagine you are a guest in a hotel. Look at these problems and think of what you can say. Then, complain to the hotel manager. Now look at these problems and complain to the hotel manager. Speak your answers out loud. That's all for this week, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.